25 years ago, a vision was set into motion. A vision of fast, comfortable, and efficient railway transport service. It began with an ambitious dream to connect people, communities, and opportunities. Metro Manila. The MRT-3 was more than just a railway. It was a lifeline, designed to move the nation forward. Since its first trip in 1999, the MRT-3 has grown to become an essential part of the daily lives of millions of Filipinos. In 25 years, MRT-3 has faced challenges but has always risen with resilience. Modernization projects and the commitment of its dedicated workforce have ensured the system is up and moving. With a massive rehabilitation program launched in 2019, MRT-3 has renewed its promise of safer, faster, and more reliable service. At the heart of MRT-3's journey is a commitment to its passengers. A commitment to comfortable, fast, and dependable service. Every train, every station, every trip is powered by the people who believe in this vision. Today, we celebrate 25 years. But we are not stopping here. The MRT3 is moving forward, embracing collaboration and innovation to meet the demands of tomorrow. Together, we will continue to connect lives, empower communities, and move the nation forward. "25 years of MRT3. 25 years of efficiency, excellence, and public service. Here's to the next 25.
Ako nga po pala si Romeo Dagle, train driver ng DOTR MRT3 sa loob ng 25 taon. Siyempre, proud ako at ako'y naging kabahagi ng MRT3 Pioneer Train Driver. Sa loob ng 25 taon ay patuloy pa rin akong naglilingkod. Bilang isang train driver, kinakailangan kong gumising ng maaga upang masigurado ko na ligtas at nasa ayos ang tren na aking iaakyat at imamanehuin. Sinisigurado ko rin na maihatid ko ng ligtas at kaaya-aya ang aking pagbiyahe sa mga pasahero. At bilang bahagi ng MRT3 train driver, at ako'y nagpapasalamat at ako'y binigyan ng pagkakataon na makapagtrabaho dito sa DOTR MRT3 bilang train driver sa loob ng 25 taon. Yun lamang po.
MRT3, so anong unang maisip mo pag sinabi mong MRT3? So, maraming tao, mahabang pila. And yet, nakakatulong sa bayan. Kasi EDSA gitna yun eh. So, since 1997, parte na ako ng MRT3. So, even after si GMO, nauna lang ako ng konti kasi galing kasi ko ng DOTC rin. So, lumipat ako kasi mag-end yung contract namin with MTP. So, since 1997, during construction, I have been part of the quality control, quality assurance team. So, doon pa lang sabi ko, parang magandang maging parte ng MRT3. So, since then, so contractual kami, naging permanent as a result of the operation from transition to construction, from construction to operation. So, sabi nung pinakauna namin GM, si GM Miranda, OIC siya, mag-training kayo, pagbalik na sige, pili kayo ng mga divisions nyo. So, since ako yung unang technical and ako lang yung, nagkataon ako lang yung female, so siguro, piliin ko na lang yung training kasi sabi nila din, binubuyo nila ako, kunin mo na madam yung training. Sabi ko, sige, yun na lang ang pipiliin ko, so yun na, napunta ako sa training. So sila, pilihan na sila kasi Si GMO, napunta sa engineering, maintenance pa dati. So, yun. So, nagkaroon na ng operation. So, yung first years kasi medyo mahirap kasi mataas ang pamasahe. So, ang konti na sumasakay. That was December 1999, December 15. So minabuti nilang babaan ang pamasahe. Mahirap noon kasi nababash ang MRT3. Pero syempre part kami ng management. We have to do our best to improve the situation. So I'm proud that I've been part of that management. Kasi through thick and thin, kailangan pag-usayan nyo kasi andyan kayo Yung mga GMs namin. So from start up to now, hindi ako nagkakamali, 12 silang lahat. Kasama na ako doon, nag-OIC ako for siguro 1 month or 2 months. So, ayun. Kailangan pagpursigihin mo na mapabuti ang MRT3. So, naka-survive kami. From palagi kang nasa media binabash. So, ang resulta naman nun, maganda sa huli kasi continuous improvement So, masaya ako na from yung very low hanggang sa ngayon na successful ang MRT3 for after 25 years. I'm really proud that I've been part of this organization, of this MRT3 family. Kasi second to my family na to kasi andito na yung buhay ko And ang performance ko hindi para lang masabing may trabaho, hindi. Andito yung dedication ko. And I'm proud to say also that ito lang ang naging trabaho ko, government lang. So, andito yung passion and dedication. And up to my retirement age, masaya ako na naging parte ako ng MRT3. And binigyan ako ngayon ng pagkakataon maging OIC director. So, that's a challenge for me. And at the same time, responsibility, mataas na responsibility. But I have to say, not all are given this opportunity to serve and the opportunity to change for the better. So as long as I'm here, I will continue to support this MRT3 family. And I really hope that magsama-sama tayo. And good luck to all of us. So good morning or good afternoon. Thank you. We're here to celebrate our milestone, 25 years. So, happy 25th anniversary. And hindi ito ang huli. Ito pa lang ang simula. Maraming pagbabago kasi ang technology mabilis. So, sana yung mga bata-bata pa, magtulong-tulong kayo. Kahit wala na kami ni GMO. Kasi syempre, ilang years na lang naman, 4 or 5 years. So, good luck to everyone. Happy 25th anniversary. Mabuhay ang MRT3.
So, before, I was employed in a construction company. So, in 1997, I was able to know that MRT3 will be starting its construction in EDSA. So, with a new rail line to be constructed, I have my interest to be part of the construction team. So, I was hired as and assigned in power supply, being an electrical engineer. So, it runs until 1999, wherein the infrastructure was completed. So by that time comes now the organizing the operations of the system. So I was part of the core team that was involved in the training of personnel. And in 2000, within which the line is already operating, I was assigned in the maintenance supervisory division of the line. So from there, from 2000, I have held various operations offices, transport, station, and engineering until I was again assigned as the director for operations, and now the GM. Part of the core team that started the operation of the line until now, and we are now 25 years serving the commuters along EDSA. Nakakataba ng puso yung makapag-serve sa mga tao, and we have seen through the development of the line. Yes, we have problems, but we made sure that all these issues are addressed, and we kept on improving the system. As part of the line for 25 years, ang isa kong may babahagi is yung self-fulfillment. Na ang trabaho natin may umaasa sa atin araw-araw at inaasahan na ang kanilang pagbiyahe sa EDSA from point A to point B ay maging maayos, ligtas at maginhawa. So, yan po ang hangad natin mula ngayon and even for the next years to come. So, sama-sama po tayo dyan, nagampanan natin ang ating obligasyon, responsibilidad, and at the end of the day, masasabi natin that we have done our part. Para sa ating mga taga MRT3, ipagpatuloy natin ang ating pagsiservisyo sa ating mga pasahero. Nagkaroon na tayo ng 25 years na public service and beyond. So, happy anniversary!